Prescription costs have become a massive financial burden for countless American households across all socioeconomic levels. The staggering statistics highlight the urgency of this national issue. In 2023, the United States spent $722.5 billion on prescription medications, an average of around $2,170 per person. With projected increases of up to 12% in 2024, the problem shows no signs of slowing down, making it crucial to explore ways to save on prescription medication and lower prescription costs. As a family of 5 with 3 little kids who share their school germs with each other and us, we're also on a tight budget since retiring young. So finding ways to save on prescriptions is quite important to us. That's why we've thoroughly researched various strategies to save money on medications, and we're excited to share these insights with you. Take control of your medication costs with these 30 tips to save on medication. By implementing these strategies, you can free up valuable financial resources and gain peace of mind when it comes to managing your healthcare expenses. Check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. Number 1. Discuss prescription drug costs with your doctor for cheaper options. An excellent way to save on prescriptions is to discuss costs with your doctor. Be completely transparent about financial limitations right from the start, allowing for an open, collaborative discussion to thoroughly explore any alternative, affordable treatment options that could still effectively manage your conditions long-term. Number 2. Buy generic drugs instead of brand names to save up to 80%. Choosing generics over brands is a tried and tested way to lower prescription costs. According to the FDA, generic drugs can save consumers up to 80% compared to brand name equivalents. Ask your doctor if a generic version of your medication is available. Generics offer the same therapeutic benefits at a small fraction of the brand's excessive cost. Number 3. Use patient assistance programs for discounts and free medications. Take advantage of assistance programs to save on prescriptions. Check if you meet the eligibility criteria to qualify for patient assistance programs, offering big discounts, copay assistance, or even free medications based on income level or age. Number 4. Compare pharmacy prices to find lowest prescription costs. Don't assume your local chain pharmacy has the best prices. You can save up to 30% by calling around or using price comparison tools to identify which nearby pharmacy can fill your prescriptions at the lowest out-of-pocket cost. Number 5 on our list of prescription hacks that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know is maximize insurance benefits for lower prescription copays. For those with prescription drug coverage, you can save up to 50% on copays by learning about your plan's drug formula, pricing levels, and coverage rules. Use preferred pharmacies and opt for lower-tier drugs when possible to minimize deductibles and out-of-pocket costs. Number 6. Get free prescription drug samples from your doctor. An often overlooked way to save on prescriptions is to request free samples. Don't be shy. Always ask your doctor for any available free sample supplies, especially when starting a brand new, expensive medication. Pharmaceutical samples provide temporary cost relief while vetting effectiveness. Number 7. Get 90-day prescription refills for better pricing. For the medications you know you will need long-term, getting 90-day supplies is an excellent way to save on prescriptions. Request or switch to 90-day refill supplies whenever possible to get a bigger discount on the overall per-dose pricing compared to 30-day fills, potentially saving up to $100 per year. Number 8. Use mail-order pharmacies for bulk pricing discounts. Another way to lower prescription costs is to consider convenient mail-order options, which can offer bulk pricing and potentially provide savings of up to 15% compared to retail pharmacies for medications you'll take indefinitely, with the added perk of home delivery. Number 9. Split pills to get higher dosage for less cost. If your doctor approves, a cost-effective way to save on prescriptions is to look into safely splitting pills that are scored and designed to divide easily. This allows you to buy a higher overall dosage at a lower cost than the prescribed partial amount when purchased whole, and can save you as much as 50% of the original cost. Number 10 on our list of prescription hacks that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know is use GoodRx for best cash prices on prescriptions. The GoodRx app and website provide free coupons that automatically compare prices and apply the lowest negotiated rate for cash purchasers across every pharmacy in your local area for incredible savings. This proven method is a reliable way to save on prescriptions. Number 11. Try prescription savings apps for discounts and coupons. Similar to GoodRx, try prescription savings apps and tools like RxSaver, OptumRx, and ScriptSaveWellRx to identify additional discounts, cash price comparisons, and coupon offers. These resources can help you save up to 50% on your prescriptions. Number 12. Get low-cost prescriptions at Costco Pharmacy. Visiting Costco Pharmacy is a convenient way to lower prescription costs. Costco offers discounts on medications through its Member Prescription Program, CMPP, which can provide savings of up to 80% or more, and you don't need to be a Costco member to use their pharmacy services. Number 13. Try Amazon Pharmacy for transparent low pricing. Consider Amazon Pharmacy as another potential way to save, promising savings of up to 80% on generic medications and 40% on brand name medications through radical pricing transparency and direct-to-consumer distribution. Number 14. Use Cost Plus drugs for medications at Cost Plus 15%. Entrepreneur Mark Cuban's Cost Plus drug company disrupts traditional supply chains by purchasing medications directly from manufacturers at extremely low prices and charging a flat 15% markup. This innovative approach effectively reduces prescription costs. Number 15 on our list of prescription hacks that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know is find manufacturer copay cards and rebates. Many major pharmaceutical companies offer copay cards, rebates, and other savings programs to commercial insurance patients, especially when launching pricey new brand name drug products. To save on prescriptions, search for these discounts, a useful way to reduce costs. Before we continue with the video, take a quick moment to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And don't forget to ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our latest updates. Plus, we've got some helpful resources in the description. Check them out and share your comments after you're done watching. Number 16. Apply for Medicare and Medicaid prescription coverage. Government programs can be a vital way to lower prescription costs for eligible individuals. Depending on your age, income level, and insurance situation, you may qualify for government assistance programs like Medicare Extra Help or Medicaid that can significantly reduce your out-of-pocket responsibility for medications. Number 17. Check local clinics for medication assistance. Another way to save on prescriptions is to explore local community health clinics and nonprofit organizations that often provide medication assistance programs. These programs usually operate on an income-based sliding scale, making prescriptions more affordable. Number 18. Use compounding pharmacies for custom medications. One potential way to lower prescription costs is to consider compounding pharmacies, which can create customized formulations from raw ingredients for specialized medication needs and may be less expensive than commercially available one-size-fits-all products. Number 19. Negotiate cash prices with pharmacists for discounts. While not always successful, it doesn't hurt to politely negotiate lower cash prices with your retail pharmacist, especially for generics. They may be able to price match competitors or extend a modest discount, saving you up to 10% on generic medications. Number 20 on our list of prescription hacks that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know is enroll in drug company assistance programs. Most major drug manufacturers now have systematic patient assistance programs that provide branded medications at steeply discounted or even fully covered costs for patients meeting financial eligibility criteria. This is an excellent way to lower prescription costs. Number 21. Use hospital social workers for medication assistance. A valuable way to save on prescriptions is to take advantage of financial resources and assistance programs. Major hospitals and clinics often employ social workers and care coordinators to connect patients with these programs, which can provide help with medications, equipment, transportation, and more. Number 22. Join pharmacy membership programs for generic discounts. Consider looking into membership program offerings from large pharmacy chains like CVS, Walgreens, and Rite Aid that include an extensive list of covered generic medications for just a small flat fee, which can offer prescription discounts of up to 80% on common medication. Number 23. Avoid automatic prescription refill charges. Beware of free trial offers that automatically enroll you into recurring shipments and charges if not properly canceled. Always read all terms and conditions thoroughly to avoid these fees, which can cost up to $100 per year. Number 24. Live a healthy lifestyle to prevent medication needs. Adopting an overall healthy lifestyle through balanced diet, exercise, and preventive care can help stave off chronic conditions requiring expensive medications in the first place. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, you can proactively lower your prescription costs. Number 25 on our list of prescription hacks that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know is make lifestyle changes to reduce medication dependency. For some diagnoses, making manageable lifestyle modifications like dietary changes or weight loss may reduce or eliminate the need for certain prescription drugs entirely, offering a natural way to save on prescriptions. Number 26. Only use legitimate online pharmacies. To save on prescriptions safely, it's crucial to stick to trusted sources. Only order medications from verified, trustworthy online pharmacies and suppliers based in the U.S. to avoid counterfeit, tainted, or mislabeled drugs that could be ineffective or dangerous. Number 27. Refill prescriptions on schedule for better pricing. A smart way to lower prescription costs is to plan. Refilling prescriptions at the last minute leaves you vulnerable to urgent pricing with little opportunity to shop around. By tracking refill dates and securing medications, you can avoid these costly surprises and save money in the long run. Number 28. Get organized to prevent missed refills and duplicate purchases. For families managing multiple prescriptions, getting organized is an effective way to save on prescriptions. Keep a consolidated medication list detailing drug names, dosages, doctors, pharmacies, and refill schedules. Staying organized prevents missed refills and duplicate purchases. Number 29. Be a self-advocate for better pricing and options. Remember, you are the customer purchasing these medical products, so be an empowered self-advocate. Voice any concerns, compare options, and ask about alternatives or additional discounts. Proactive self-advocacy is a key way to save on prescriptions. Last on our list of prescription hacks that Big Pharma doesn't want you to know is support efforts for pricing transparency and reform. Stay informed about healthcare policies, legislation, and advocacy groups pushing for greater pricing transparency and reforms to control exorbitant prescription drug costs through systemic change. Supporting these reform efforts is a crucial way to lower prescription costs in the long run. Taking proactive steps to lower your prescription medication expenses can provide great relief, both financially and mentally. Implementing these strategies empowers you to take control of your medication expenses and alleviate the financial burden. Voice your concerns openly, compare alternatives, and work closely with your healthcare providers to find the most affordable solutions for your specific needs. Remember, every dollar saved on prescriptions is a step towards better financial health and peace of mind. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget the link in the description.